everyone, welcome to ACMFOOD. When customers first come to us, one of the most common questions we hear, I have an idea for a beverage product, but I'm not sure how to start.
In reality, turning an initial idea into a finished beverage, like the product you see here, involves several important steps. But the good news is you don't need to have everything figured out from the beginning.
Exactly. Today in this video, we walk you through how ACMFOOD works with customers throughout the OEM development process, from the first idea all the way to a finished product that is ready for the market.
The first step is understanding your idea and your actual business needs. For example, are you looking to develop a fruit juice, coconut water, aloe vera ring, or perhaps a complete new beverage concept? Which market are you targeting? Who are your target consumers? And are you positioning the product for the mass market, mainstream segment, or premium segment?
Some customers come us with very clear concepts. For example, I want to develop pure coconut water for United States market. But other customers may only have a general idea such as, I want to launch my own beverage brand, but I'm not sure which product I should start with. In both cases, ACMFOOD can work with you to develop and refine the idea.
Once we understand your requirements, the next step is to recommend a suitable product direction. At this stage, we can discuss different aspects of the product, including the formula, flavor profile, sweetness level, ingredient, serving size, and packing options. For example, even for the same type of the fruit juice, you may choose an alu can, a PET bottle, or another packing format depending on your target market and brand positioning.
We also take practical business factors into consideration, such as your export market, target price, expect order quantity, and distribution strategy, because developing a successful beverage is not only about creating a good tasting formula. The product also needs to make sense for the market where you plan to sell it. When the product direction has been agreed upon, we move the next step, sample development. This is one of the most important parts the OEM process.
Based on requirements discussed with the customer, ACMFOOD Research and Development Team will begin developing the formula and preparing product sample. The sample are then provided to the customer for evaluation.
At this point, customers can give us very specific feedback. For example, we'd like fruit juice flavor a little stronger, or can we reduce sweetness, or can we adjust taste?
Based on that feedback, we continue refining the product. Some products may only require a few sample rounds. Others may require several rounds of testing and adjustment before we achieve exactly the flavor profile and the positioning the customer is looking for.
The goal of this stage is simple: to reach final formula that both sides approve before moving into commercial production.
When the formula has been approved, we move on to the packing and order planning. At this stage, both sides confirm important details such as product volume, can and bottle type, label and packing design, carton specification, and order quantity.
This also when we review quotation, lead time, quality product with the customer. For export products, requirements relate for destination market should also be considering during this step.
Carefully confirming these details before production have the entire process run more smoothly and reduce the need for change once manufacturing had already begun.
Once everything has been confirmed, the product is officially scheduled for production.
During manufacturing, the beverage goes through the required production stage from the raw material preparation and blending to filling, sealing or scan, simming and final packing.
Quality control is also carried out throughout the production process to ensure that the finished product meets agreed requirements before it leaves the factory.
Finally, the products are packed into the cartons, the order is complete, and everything prepared for delivery to the customer. And at this point, what started as an idea has become a real market-ready beverage product.
So summarize OEM/ODM project at ACMFOOD generally goes through 5 main stages: understanding product idea, developing right solution, creating and approving sample, and finally manufacturing finished product.
And remember, you don't need to have a complete formula or understand every part of the manufacturing process before contacting us. If you already have the product idea or even just a target market you would like to enter, our team can work with you step by step to develop the project.
So if you are looking to launch your own beverage brand and find OEM/ODM manufacturing partner or develop a new beverage product, feel free to contact ACMFOOD.
We'll be happy to hear your idea and work together to turn them into real products.
Thank you for watching. We'll see you the next video of ACMFOOD.